Hi, I'm Dr. Vinay Bhardwaj, and more in our little series about the low-carb diet that we're launching. My earlier research was to do with ketogenic diets, and I brought a lot of that here. And I thought I'd explain a little bit about what ketosis was, since it's also another kind of diet that's gaining a lot of popularity. A ketogenic diet is a diet where you're eating such low amounts of carbohydrate, sugar, any kind of carbohydrate, that your body runs out. It runs out of it as fuel, and it has to start burning fats at a very high rate and very quickly. And when you start burning fats rapidly and quickly before your body has adapted to it, they don't burn as cleanly. They make things called ketones. Ketones are actually pretty good. They're actually a survival mechanism for human beings in starvation. When our ancestors starved, maybe a crop failed or maybe there was no food around in the environment, ketosis is what saved them from dying. So when you burn fats, you make these things called ketone bodies. They can be detected in your urine, and so they sell you keto sticks on the diet that'll tell you if you're in ketosis or not. But the basic idea is when you make these ketones, your body is burning fat and you're losing weight rapidly. Now, it seems to work. There's a lot of research out there that shows that it seems to work, but the diet is difficult to sustain. You have to constantly check whether you're in ketosis or not. You're constantly calculating how much you're eating and what is in the food. And most of the labels are wrong. Half the time the amount of carbohydrate is improperly labeled. And when you're eating with friends, or when you're going to that wedding, or when you're living normal life, it becomes very difficult to count these carbs so closely. So the ketogenic diet seems to work, but it also seems to be impractical, which is why we went the low carb route. Instead of trying to keep you down to less than 20 carbs per day, which is where you would be in a ketogenic type diet, we're keeping you to about 50. So you don't have to count as much. All you have to do is know what to eat and what not to eat on this diet. And it's very simple. Foods that are vegetables, foods that have healthy fats in them, foods that have a lot of protein in them, those are fine. Nuts, cheeses, those are fine on this diet. On the other hand, very highly processed foods like rice or highly processed wheat, these are foods that don't really fit into this diet because they're very heavy on sugar. So we'll tell you more on the website. We have a whole diet plan that's been made, and you can check that on Get Grow Fit whenever you want. So I will see you in the next video.